guys are here, would you like to unmute really quickly and just say hello to all the participants?
All right, I'm Josh. I'm the Director of Technology Development at Conservation X Labs. I'm really looking forward to working with you all, and can't wait to see what comes out of this weekend.
Thanks, Josh.
Hello, everyone. I'm Felix, and I've worked with Conservation Project International for nearly 3 years now, and also a marine biologist and conservationist that's worked in projects around the world. So, yeah, looking forward to hearing everyone's projects and, yeah, working with you all.
Awesome. Thank you, Felix.
Hi, everybody. My name is Tom Quigley. I work with Conservation X Labs as a community manager. I work with a lot of early stage teams in helping to design and to develop their projects into early ideas, into larger ventures that will end up hopefully continuing and having some sustainability and being able to move forward and have impact. So looking forward to see what everybody comes up with. And thanks to all the speakers today for this fascinating introduction.
Thanks, Tom. Ricky, are you here as well?
Good morning, everyone. I'm here. I'm a marine biologist and a forensic scientist, volunteer at the National Marine Mammal Foundation, and very excited to see what everybody comes up with and see how we can save the Vaquita.
Amazing. Thank you, Ricky, and thanks to all of the mentors. So, quick note on logistics before we get started. We did it. We made it through the opening ceremony, and we absorbed so much amazing info. We can share it all with you on the Slack. If you have any questions about specific materials, just let us know. So the rest of the hackathon really is free time to work with your teammates on your project. You can do this however you like. You can set up your own Zoom room. Don't use this link because it's reserved for the main events during the hackathon. You can set up your own Google Hangout. You can communicate over text, over a group chat. You can just set in, checkpoints to check in with each other, whatever you think is best and whatever is the easiest for you to work with. All mentors and organizers will be available over Slack or email. And we encourage you to keep posting on Slack so that you can ask questions of other participants, learn from each other, share resources, stuff like that. Quick note for the mentors. All mentors are able to work with all groups in their track. You're not limited to a specific group. If anyone has a question, you're welcome to answer it. And how you meet with them, how mentors and participants meet is also up to you. Again, you can chat with them over Slack, you can set up your own Zoom room, you can jump in a Google Hangout, whatever is most convenient. So that's a quick rundown. I'm going to pause for a minute because the participants haven't really had a chance to speak yet. So do any participants have any questions on anything that's happened so far that hasn't been answered? You can just unmute and go for it. Okay, not hearing anything. You can DM me on Slack if there is. So I'm going to turn it back over to Harry to close us out. And when he's finished, we are going to start hacking. So Harry?
Great, thank you so much, Sanjana. Thank you to everyone. I'm just going to quickly just briefly introduce the law mentors as well for the Wildlife Crime Law Review. We've got some fantastic mentors. So firstly, we have Volsi, who actually worked with Sea Shepherd, and she was at our Q&A session last night, sorry, not last week. Volsi, do you want to just quickly introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. Yes, so I worked on the field with Sea Shepherd Conservation Society, protecting the Vaquita refuge. And I just did my master's thesis on the totoaba poaching and illegal trade under the supervision of Andrea.
That's great, thank you so much. Our second mentor is Daniel. Daniel is a CPS prosecutor. I think he's on the call. Dan, do you want to just quickly introduce yourself?
Hi guys, yeah, nice to meet everyone. So yeah, I work for the CPS. I'm a Grand Prosecutor in the UK. So yeah, I'll be the mentor on the group that's working on the sort of judicial exchange and sentencing stuff.
Thanks very much, Daniel. We also have Julie. Julie, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name's Julie. I am a volunteer with TCPI and I currently work for Elsevier as an editorial project manager, and I am mentoring the group that will be working on the loopholes around Chinese wildlife protection law.
Thanks so much, Julie. And last but not least, we have Janetta, who's been enormously helpful in helping us, is also part of the Chancery Lane project. Janetta, are you there just to quickly introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you, Harry. So my name is Janetta. I am a lawyer in training, volunteer at the Conservation Project International. I have done a few hackathons before, and I will be mentoring the track on Know Your Customer laws. So hopefully I'll see many of you very soon. Thanks, Harry.
No problem at all. Thank you very much. So that's it. That's the opening ceremony over and done with. Had some amazing speakers. Yes, Odine, please.
Quickly, yes, I didn't know if you wanted to mention that the countries that are represented from the participants and how many we have. I didn't know if you mentioned that yet.
Yeah, sure. Well, thank you. Yeah, no, so I think overall we've got participants from 18 different countries from around the world, from nearly every continent bar Antarctica. So it's fantastic to have so many young people that are really enthusiastic about trying to find solutions to this issue. And we've got a number of university partners. So the University West of England, I know a lot of law students are here from there. Plymouth University, we've got some great marine biologists and policy people from Plymouth. And then actually our partner, Kennedy's Law. And we have a number of lawyers from Kennedy's Law. And I think Michelle might be on the call, who's the head of their CSR program. Michelle, I don't know if you just wanted to also briefly introduce yourself and how Kennedy's is also involved with this project.
Hi, sorry, I'm actually sitting on my sofa, sorry. I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, Harry contacted me a couple of months ago with this project, and I joined Kennedy's in May, so we're just developing a CSR program and in fact developing pro bono practice as well. And I just thought this was such a brilliant project to get sign off on, and we were kind of signed off at the last minute, the 11th hour, but I'm really glad that we did. So we've got, I think, 14 lawyers taking part, so it's a really exciting project to be working on.
Thank you so much, Michelle. That's great. All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much. The next, so if everyone moves over to Slack now, you can set up a group call with your mentors and let the hacking commence. The finalization for the submission will be at 12 o'clock tomorrow at GMT. But again, thank you so much to Andrea, to all of our wonderful talks and our mentors speaking today. Odine, if you have any closing words, please let me know. Otherwise, I think we can proceed.
All good. Just so happy to have everyone on board. Over 100 participants. Good luck, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
Amazing. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow.